Hello friends, in this video I'm going to share the revised travel rules for international travelers to India. You can see the revised international rules updates on Ministry of Family Welfare Government of India. The link is given in the description. Check this website regularly so you can find any kind of changes in the rules. These countries are considered as the at-risk countries. When we check the algorithm used by India for international arrivals, they have two categories. They are countries at risk and countries not at risk. For all the international travelers, the documentations are as usual. They have to fill the self-declaration form and they have to upload the negative RT-PCR test, and they need to show the full vaccinated certificate. So all these are mandatory. They don't have any changes in that documentation process. So when come to the travelers coming from the countries at risk, so they have to everyone have to undergo the RT-PCR test on arrival. So if the test gets negative, they have to home quarantine for 7 days and they have to retest on the 8th day, and if negative, self health monitoring for next 7 days. Travelers coming from countries at risk, if they test positive, then they have to admit at separate isolation facility and they have to undergo the treatment protocol until they tested negative. If the travelers coming from the countries excluding those enlisted as countries at risk, so a random sample of 5% of travelers have to undergo this RT-PCR testing on travel. So if they test negative, they have to self-monitor for 14 days, and if they test positive, then they have to undergo the treatment as per laid down by the standard protocol. After they have given this RT-PCR test, they have to wait till the result come. It may take 6 hours minimum or more, than it depends upon the situations there. And here the children under 5 years of age are exempted from the pre and post arrival testing. And here you can find some more details. So Delhi Airport has made arrangements to accommodate at the airport up to 1500 international travel passengers at a time. Each passenger who will undergo the RT-PCR test will be charged around 1700 rupees, and this amount includes the charges for the RT-PCR test, food and water during the stay at the airport till the test results come. All the passengers coming from at-risk countries have to be compulsorily undergo RT-PCR test, and 5% of the passengers arriving from other countries will also have to take the test on a random basis. So the passengers will have to wait for the result before leaving the airport or taking a connecting flight. The passengers have to spend at least 6 hours at the premises, including waiting for the RT-PCR test results. The immigration process will be done for the passengers that are having the negative test reports only.